Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atmic Green School, Jai Swaminarayan. Today class 7th. We were supposed to continue geography lesson 9, page number 69. Okay, we had discussed with climate. Now we start with flora and fauna. The vegetation cover is sparse. Grasses dominate the landscape. Red grass grows in bush velds. In the high velds, acacia and marula are seen to be growing. The animals of the velds are primarily lions, leopards, cheetah and kudu. Okay, before that we had discussed about the prairies, temperate grasslands, then about the meadows, climate, flora and fauna, and about the people living there. The veld is the name given by Dutch settlers before South Africa was colonized by the British. मतलब वेल्ड साउथ अफ्रीका को दिया गया था. ब्रिटिशर्स ने जब भी साउथ अफ्रीका को अपना गुलाम बनाया उसके पहले डच ने इन्हें नाम दिया था वेल्ड. Okay, that is people. Velds are known for cattle rearing and mining. You can see students 9.7 is diamond mine, Kimberley diamond mine. Velds are known for cattle rearing and mining. The soils are not very fertile in the velds due to the presence of discontinuous grasses exposing barren surface. तो वहाँ की सॉइल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फर्टाइल नहीं है. ओके, कुछ भी काम करने के लिए, बिकॉज वहाँ पे ग्रासेस ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें ग्रो होती है और एक्सपोजिंग बैरन सरफेस, और नीचे से बिल्कुल खाली रहती है, बैरन होती है एकदम. However, where the land is fertile, crops are grown. The main crops are maize, wheat, barley, oats and potato. Also cash crops like tobacco, sugarcane and cotton are also grown. Sheep rearing is the most important occupation of the people. Sheep is bred mainly for wool निकालने के लिए and has given rise to the wool industry in the velds. Merino sheep is a popular species and their wool is very warm. बहुत ठंडी में ये मेरिनो शीप का जो मतलब कि जो वो वूल के लिए निकालते हैं उनकी बॉडी का वो मतलब इतनी ठंडी में भी वो बहुत वार्म देता था. वूल इज वेरी वार्म. Dairy farming is the next important occupation. Cattle are reared in the warmer and wetter regions and the dairy products like butter, cheese are produced for both domestic supply and also for export. वेल्ड्स में. ओके, ये वेल्ड्स के बारे में पीपल क्या काम करते हैं, कौन से एनिमल्स है. और वेल्ड्स आर नोन फॉर कैटल रेयरिंग एंड माइनिंग. यू कैन सी दिस माइनिंग. द वेल्ड्स हैव रिच रिजर्व ऑफ मिनरल्स. Iron and steel industry has developed where coal and iron are present. Gold and diamond mining are major occupation of people in this region. Gold and diamond. सोचो यहाँ पे बनता है, मतलब यहाँ पे माइनिंग होती है इसकी, तो कितना सस्ता होगा यहाँ पे. Johannesburg is known for being the gold capital of the world. Johannesburg. Kimberley is famous for its diamond mines. South Africa में, you know, South Africa is very rich in minerals. Mining of diamond and gold in South Africa led to the establishment of trade ties with Britain and gradually South Africa become a British colony. इसलिए तो ब्रिटेन ने बहुत टाइम तक साउथ अफ्रीका को अपना गुलाम बना के रखा हुआ था बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. स्टिल टुडे भी, आज भी है. This mineral rich area has a well developed network of transport. Okay, बस that is the end of the lesson. कितना simple and it was so easy. Okay, as you read the lesson, कितना easy और simple है ये lesson आपका. Okay, come on, we will discuss its exercise on page number 70. पहले वो देखते हैं हम लोग, नीचे map skills देखते हैं. On an outline map of North America, mark the Rocky Mountains, the Great Lakes, River Mississippi, River Saskatchewan, the cities Chicago and Winnipeg. देखो, मेक अ ग्रास विसल, आप ये बना सकते हो. Okay, this map you can draw. आप देख सकते हो. Mark the Rocky Mountains, Great Lakes, River Mississippi, वो river cities of Chicago and Winnipeg. Okay, yes, we will discuss its page number 70. हम discuss करते हैं. Okay, so we'll discuss. See, let me discuss. अच्छा चलो मैं पहले इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस करती हूँ. What are the temperate grasslands of North America called? Okay. Just wait. Life in the desert. Life in the temperate grasslands. ओके चलो ये अभी मैं करती हूँ आपके साथ. लेट्स डू सम दैट इज वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स जो मैंने कुछ लिखे हुए हैं. World's grassland having true broad categories that occur in the temperate region and those that occur in the tropical region. Temperate grassland of North America is known as prairies. Canadian prairies are drained by the tributaries of Saskatchewan. ये रिवर का नाम है. The Weald has a mild climate due to the influence of the Indian Ocean. True or false? It is true. The Weald has a mild climate due to influence of the Indian Ocean. True. Which of the following is known as the gold capital of the world? It is Johannesburg. Merino is a type of sheep जिसका wool बहुत warm होता है. Kimberley is famous for diamond mines. The name Weald is given by the Dutch before Britishers ने जब साउथ अफ्रीका को ऑक्यूपाई किया. Drakensberg mountain lies in which of the कौन सी जगह में वो लाई करता है? It lies in South Africa. Drakensberg mountain. The tributaries of river Orange and Limpopo drain in the region of Weald. True ki false? True. Cattle farms in the North American grasslands is known as ranches. When is the rainy season in the Weald? The rainy season in the Weald in क्या कर रही? Summer month from November to Feb. Name the rivers that drain the Weald, that is Orange and Limpopo. The word prairie originated from Latin word priata, which means meadow. Due to the presence of discontinuous grasses exposing barren surface, the soil of Wealds are not fertile. True ki false? True. Name some important occupation of Weald. It is cattle rearing, mining and dairy farming. Why prairies are known as granaries of the world? Because of the huge surplus of wheat production, prairies are also called as granaries of the world. Bison is a species of buffalo. Name some animals found in the prairie region. Rabbits, coyotes, gophers and prairie's dog. Name some animal found in Weald regions. Lion, leopards, cheetah and kudu. इसमें पता है कौन से देखो ग्रासलैंड्स द प्रेरीज रख दिए क्लाइमेट फ्लोरा एंड फोना पीपल द वेल्ड्स क्लाइमेट फ्लोरा एंड फोरा एंड पीपल थोड़ी देर अपने आलू तो बना okay. We go to page number 70. What are the temperate grasslands of North America called? It is called prairies. लिख सकते हो आप. You can write. If you have pencils or pen in your hand, write. Prairies बोलते. What are the temperate grasslands of North America called? Prairies. P-R-A-I-R-I-E-S. What are the cattle farms in the North American grasslands known as ranches? RANCHES. Name the rivers that drain the Wells. Orange, Limpopo और उनकी tributaries. Orange, Limpopo and their tributaries. When is the rainy season in the Wells? The rainy season in the Wells is from November to February. November to February. What is the major occupation of the people of the South African grasslands? Sheep rearing. Major occupation, sheep rearing. Okay, we go to tick the correct answer. River Mississippi drains. कौन सा आंसर राइट है? USA. Drakensberg Mountains are to the west of Wells answer. Merino is a species of ship. Kimberley is famous for diamonds and Johannesburg for gold. Match the following. Cowboys, prairies, gold, Johannesburg, kudu, animal, Chinook, it is hot wind, coal, it is iron and steel. Give reason. The prairies are known as the granaries of the world. Why? Prairies, grasslands have been cleared and wheat is grown extensively on these plains. I repeat, prairies, grasslands have been cleared और उसे fertile बनाने के लिए and wheat is grown extensively on these plains. The use of tractors, harvesters and modern technologies have made the wheat production surplus. Prairies supply wheat all over the world. They satisfy the hunger of millions of people spread all over the world. Rise of the wool industry in the Wells. Give reason. Sheep rearing is the most important occupation of the people of the Wells grassland. Sheep are bred mainly for wool. Hence, wool availability is in ample quantity. The merino wool is of best quality. Further, merino wool is very warm. Merino wool and woolen garments are in great demand all over the world. Merino wool. देखो ये मैप है एज एन आउटलाइन नॉर्थ अमेरिका. ये आपको बनाना है. Okay, this you have to draw. ये आप करो मैप. Okay, this map you have to draw. Come on, write few short answers. Enumerate the major features of the prairies. Enumerate the major features of the prairies. Write a brief note on the climate of the prairies. Write a brief note on the climate of the prairies. Write some effects of Chinook. Chinook एक hot wind है that blows in winter. Chinook. Describe the climate of the Wells. Describe the flora and fauna of the prairies. Describe the flora and fauna of Wells. Okay students, so with that I had finished this lesson geography. पहले मैं geography complete करती हूँ. Okay, then civics, फिर history. See, राइट एक स्मॉल ब्रीफ आप लिखना एज योर होम असेसमेंट होमवर्क प्रेरीज के बारे में. द प्रेरीज के बारे में एक ब्रीफ लिखना नोट, और वहां के क्लाइमेट के बारे में एंड पीपल लिविंग देयर. ओके, राइट अ स्मॉल नोट ऑन द प्रेरीज, पीपल और उनके वहां के क्लाइमेट के बारे में. ओके, what is grassland? A region where grasses form the dominant type of plant life. Prairie, the word prairie has been originated from Latin word priata, which means meadow. Red Indians, Native Americans. Chinook, it is a hot wind that blows in winter and therefore raises the temperature within a short time. Ranches, they are large cattle farms. Bison, the American buffalo. Cowboys, the sturdy men who look after the ranches. Veld are the temperate grasslands of South Africa. Okay students, with this I had finished with lesson number 9. In my next class I will start with lesson number 10 और फिर हमारा इसका सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएगा जियोग्राफी का. ओके, सो प्लीज डू रीड द लेसन, कंप्लीट योर बुक्स एंड इसके पैराग्राफ बना के आप लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट इन पैराग्राफ्स. Okay, so with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.